Are you trying to download an app on your iPad, but the App Store keeps saying, "This app is not compatible with this iPad," or "This app requires a newer version of iPad OS"? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the real fixes you can try and also explain when the problem cannot be fixed on an older iPad. Step 1. Check your iPad OS version. The first thing you should do is check your iPad OS version. Go to Settings, then tap General, and then tap Software Update. If your iPad shows an available update, download and install it. Many apps need a newer iPad OS version, so updating your iPad can fix the compatibility problem right away. But if your iPad says it is already up to date, that does not always mean it has the newest iPad OS. It may only mean your iPad has the latest update available for that specific model. Step 2. Check the app requirements. After checking your iPad OS version, open the App Store and search for the app again. Scroll through the app information and look for the compatibility section. You may see a line that says the app requires a certain iPad OS version, such as iPad OS 16, iPad OS 17, or newer. If your iPad cannot update to that required version, the app will not install. This does not mean your iPad is broken. It simply means the app was built for newer software or newer hardware. Some apps also need features that older iPads do not have, so even if your iPad works normally, that specific app may still not support it. Step 3. Download from purchased apps. If you downloaded the app before using the same Apple ID, you may be able to get an older, compatible version. Open the App Store, tap your profile picture, and go to Purchased. Search for the app in your purchase list and tap the Cloud Download button. Sometimes the App Store offers an older version of the app that works with your iPad, but this only works in some cases. The app must already be connected to your Apple ID, and the developer must still allow an older version to be downloaded. Step 4. Restart your iPad. If the app starts downloading but gets stuck, or the App Store behaves strangely, restart your iPad. A restart can clear small system glitches that stop apps from downloading or updating properly. Press and hold the power button, or the top button depending on your iPad model, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, turn your iPad back on, and open the App Store again. Step 5. Update the app manually. If the app is already installed but will not open, crashes, or says it needs an update, try updating it manually. Open the App Store, tap your profile picture, and scroll down to the available app updates. Tap Update next to the app, or tap Update All if you want to update everything. Sometimes apps stop working because the installed version is too old. A manual update can fix bugs and restore support. But if the newest version of the app requires an iPad OS version your iPad cannot install, the update may not appear or may fail. Step 6. Use the website version. If your iPad is too old for the app, try using the website version instead. Many services still work through Safari, even when their apps no longer support older iPads. For example, you may be able to use YouTube, banking websites, email services, learning platforms, or shopping websites directly in the browser. The experience may not be as smooth as the app, but it can still solve the problem without needing a new iPad.